Hello friends, welcome back to another videos. Friends, today I will show you how to edit photo using masking tool. Masking tool is one of the best editing tool in Lightroom. So I will show you how you will edit photo using masking tool. So friend, let's get started. I open my photo in a Lightroom, and after I click masking tool and plus icon, and I will click select subject, and after I choose light and increase my exposure, photos exposure, contrast, and little bit shadows. And after I click here to this side, left side, and I increase texture and texture and clarity, because I want to make my photo HD. So first of all, I increase clarity, and after I check it's effect apply in a background. So I'll show here, click here, and I will show. So after I increase DH around 30%, or after I click here and increase the sharpness 100% and click in the right, and after you can see photo is looking amazing, means a little bit HD. And after I click color tone and color edge and color hue. So I will try to make a background using this tool. So here are lot of color available. You make a photo like a different background you want to, like a yellow, blue, like a green, and little bit like a orange. So this is one of the best tool to in the masking tool. So you want to make a different type of color background in photo, so you will definitely try. So I can choose one color like a green is a good provide good natural photo. So I will try to make a green background photo. So I click green background here, and after I click like a hue, color edge, I click green and color edge, and after you can see my photo background is green. So it's look like a great. And after I click masking tool plus icon, and after I click brush, and here is brush tool, and okay, I not enter this basic tool because I saw how to you will use. So first I choose brush size is 20% I choose, and after I'm started my brush tool. So I will using my brush tool in my face, my hands, like. So I will remove my photos, pimples, and make a noise free, like a smooth. I make my photo smooth, so I will use this tool. So my video is I make this tool very slowly, it's very long, so I will make it fast forward. Almost done. I use in the only face tool, and after I click effect tool and use texture like minus and minus 99, yeah, 100%. And after I click details and use sharpness 100%, and I can see my photo, it's not a good, it's look like a great skin and good sharpness provide in my photo. And I can see photo background also HD, and face is also clearly show everything about pimples like something, and photo is good. And after I click here right option, and after I click okay, done. And after I want to adding something, it's click here and click plus icon, and I click linear gradient, and this type of I make linear, and like subtract for mastery and click here, and after I increase exposure like 29%, and this tool apply in background, and my background look like a vintage effect, like a good darkness provide in my background. So you can see my photo look like a great, and my background also good. So it's today, and I click last tool is a selective tool, and after I click here, and like I apply in my background, so increase my texture, photo texture, and clarity texture, and I can see my photo background also look like a HD, and I increase sharpness in my photo. So today's I done everything, like it's a great photo look like, and background also look like, and today video is, and after I click here, and save copy to device, I click. I'll show you how you make edit photo using masking tool. So if you want to watch more photo editing related content, if please like the video and subscribe to